How to change translate language in YouTube comments iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the YouTube application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the YouTube homepage. Open any video from here. Here, tap on the comments below the video as shown. Go to any comment which is in a different language and then tap on Translate to English below that comment. The comment will then be translated to English. After that, go back to the homepage and tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the settings icon at the top right. Here, go to General. Then, tap on App Language. You will then be taken to this page in the Settings app. Scroll down to the Preferred Language section at the end and tap on Language. You can view all the available languages. From here, select the language that you want and then open YouTube. As you can see, the language has been changed to the one you just chose. Following these steps, you can easily change translate language in YouTube comments iPhone.